how this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this when I'm going to show you if your phone is stuck or if you have a black screen update, how to fix that. The first fix would be force reset. So let's go for that. Guess this phone is frozen, you can't do anything, is not working anything. So what you can do at this moment, you can do a force reset, very easy and simple. So button, let me explain you have to hit the volume up button, then volume down button, and you have to hit the power button after one after another. So let's do it, please, let's do it. Let's see, volume up, volume down, and hold the power button. Hold till you see the phone will go down. If it's frozen, if it's black screen, no matter what, when you see Apple logo, you have to release the button. The phone will start as a normal. This is one of the fix of this problem. After force reset, if your phone is still not alive, so what you have to do, you have to check the charging cable and data cable coming with. You have to check it should be original Apple data or charging cable in this case. Then check your adapter. Many times happen your adapter is not working or faulty adapter. Check with another adapter, connect with your PC. You can connect with your Mac to check if it's charging or getting back alive or not. Then you have to check also your charging port. You have to see the port is looking properly or not. If no, so the port, you can take a brush, check inside, try to clean it, because sometimes could be some dust, something doesn't allow your phone to charge, so that's why it's not starting, the battery is dead or something. You can use sometimes some cotton bud to clean as well, but the brush will be better. After that, you can do something. You can do a simple massage of your phone. You can take a cotton, something as this, more bigger if possible. You have to press, do a massage all over the phone, all over the body, because sometimes happen some of the joint or connector loose here and there, and this will not allow your phone to start or something. So press your phone all over with your hand with a strong press, but don't break it. With gentle but little bit stronger here and there, press all over. After that, connect with a different charger. The first thing you can do a force reset, then check your charger, then check your charging port, then do a massage all over the phone. After doing all these things, if your phone is not coming back to life, that means you have a serious problem. Then you have to take to Apple Care, because more than that you can't do. You can disassemble your phone to check the problem, but if you have a brand new iPhone 17, better not to disassemble. You lose the guarantee or the stuff. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.